Okay, we're out of the lake mountains today. Spring is starting to spring. Decided to go take a ride not far from home on a Friday afternoon. Noticed a lot of RVs being towed yesterday. People with their spring fever getting ready to kick off the 2021 summer. But I am noticing the difference in my bike since I just put a 13 tooth front sprocket on it, down from the 14 tooth sprocket that comes from the factory on the FE 250 street legal bike. It's got a little more low end grunt. It's a little easier to go slowly in second gear. I was going to come out here and try and ride out to a Little Moab, Chimney Rock. I just love the single track like this when it's not so rocky. In addition to my smaller front sprocket, if you can hear me in the wind, I got a new pair of Garnet boots too. So they're a lot beefier and bigger boot than those CD, basically adventure bike boots that I had, because I bought my boots before I bought my bike and was thinking I was going to do adventure biking, and ended up buying a dirt bike instead. So the CD boots, albeit Gore-Tex and awesome, I wore those all last year for riding, but I figured maybe I should get something with a little more protection on them, especially after my wife actually right out here, not far from here, last year tore a tendon in her ankle when she put her foot down riding on her motorcycle. She had her riding boots on, but still did damage that required surgery. Actually, I was thinking it was going to be a lot harder to shift with these bigger boots. Just as easy, if not easier, to shift on these things, with these things, I should say. Oops, except for that. That was the wrong shift direction. The dirt conditions are nice too. Oh, mud. Oh man, that about wiped me out right there. Oh, but I recovered. Everything is okay, people. Oh. Now my bike's shooting mud everywhere. Dead fox. Here we go. Climb, baby, climb. Whoop. Oh, hey, look, Little Moab. And I have it all to myself. Oh, I lied. There's a 4x4 over there. be a jukebox hero. Got stars in my eyes. Oh, it's like a fun little obstacle course, huh? Stars in his eyes. Boom. Whew. Doggy poop. Where I practice my balance. Yeah, this place is kind of fun. I certainly like this a lot more with that 13-tooth front sprocket. I wish I had done this a year ago. I got another thing I got new was I had a nitro moose put on my rear tire just a few weeks ago, so it's my first time really riding on it. Paired it with a new Panda Trackmaster tire, which is what I had last year too, and mine was only really about halfway worn down, but I figured if I was gonna put a nitro moose in at the time, I might as well change the tire too. I bought a new nitro moose for the front tire, but I haven't had it put in yet. This is certainly side-by-side paradise, isn't it? Big rocks and steep hills. Hey, and there's that Toyota down there at Little Moab. That's kind of a pretty view of it, though, from above. Oh, some kind of old hut. Whoa. Good thing I wasn't going too fast, eh? Yeah, little brapper. Now this is fun stuff.